Good morning, kaeser compressors after hours hotline. Do you require emergency on-site service?
No.
No? Okay. Take your details. What state are you calling from?
WA.
And your name.
Jason.
And your phone number, Jason?
04.
Sorry, I can barely hear you.
04.
Yeah?
96. 26.
06, was it?
Yep. 10.
1.
10.
Yes?
26.
26. And what's it regarding, briefly?
Yeah, I just wanted to have a browse around your wide varieties of compressors.
Okay.
And I'd just like to say something as well. Bit of a poor effort on your answering. Rang at least 20 times.
Sorry, what was that?
Bit of a poor effort on your answering. Rang about 20 times.
20 times? I'm not understanding what you're saying.
When it went bring bring, like 20 times before you answered.
Oh, it shouldn't have, because we haven't got any other calls. Okay, I'll put the message through for you. So it's the WA, it's Jason on 0496061026.
Yeah, I was trying to get pleasure out of my compressor and I shoved it up my ass. I turned it on.
Very nice. Good on you, sir.
What was that?
Oh my god.
Hello?
Oh my god.
I gave it like completely retarded shit. So